So we're back on building on our team rebuild. So yeah, let's just jump back into it. Let's go get some more. Let's get some more good games in. I think last time we played, I think we got a dub. We'll check recruiting real quick, see if anybody's ready to go see us play. We got 23 scouts. We're just leading up. We're not leading. We're not far behind. Should we get rid of something? I left auto scout on. We'll leave you since you're. Alright. Let's just jump into some games. They're playing FCS East. And they're a little better than us. That's gonna be fun. Hopefully this will also be like a good passing game and run game. I like how our two best players are the punter and a kicker. Like, who's your team best? Oh, just the guy who kicks the damn ball. You know, nothing big. You know, it's not going to be my quarterback who throws the ball or something. No, it's just going to be my damn punter who I'm never going to use because I don't like punting unless I'm just not doing good. Sorry, I'm still.
Everyone in the stadium is ready for this game to get started. And he'll return this one from the 7. He's out to the 30.
Okay, I saw that block on the outside. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I gotta show this highlighted big hit. Oh, hey Nick. No wait. That's Nick's girlfriend. What's up, Alex? Alright. This boy right here, number 47, doesn't look too big, but that a baby. That a boy. Oh my god. That is something I'm gonna take credit for because I got him last season.
You're gonna move the football down the field. 5 wide. He's going to try and scramble. He's going to air it long.
Okay, we just had to take a quick shot.
From midfield, it's 2nd down. On the run. Tackle after a decent run up the gut. Weddle's the kind of guy that could end up with some national honors because right now he's leading the conference statistically. They're about 4 yards away here on 3rd down. Scrambled. It's a fumble. It's recovered.
Oh my god.
And they're lucky to retain possession of the ball there.
I don't know how to. I forgot how to slide. Oh my god! Thank you, whoever recovered that.
1st and 10. Ball on the 34-yard line. Takes it up the middle for a nice picks up 5 with the carry.
I'm just gonna say Cody Weddle has really been pulling some of his weight this season. I mean, he's just someone like I really like having on the team.
He's at the 20. He's tackled.
I mean, our run game's pretty strong.
Tailback broke that one for a very nice game.
Give the offensive line some kudos there. They blocked very well up front to create the holes for this back.
Why did they want us to throw a Hail Mary when we're on like the
16-yard line?
on the 16-yard line?
Zips it to the back, and he's taken down at about the 17.
All right, screens don't work. I think they read that out. I know I just called the wrong play. What do we got?
Halfback's got it on the quick throw. Tackle at the 12-yard line. Reed gains about 5 yards.
All right, Reed. Lawrence Reed. Why are we struggling to get a touchdown? I really want to know now. I mean, it's on my part, but I feel like our run game's gonna be strong today.
First down and goal to go. 3 yards for the touchdown. Touchdown, Panther.
That is great tough football right there. Getting down to the goal line and just punching it
I
in.
feel like I know like some people score, they have like a school band. I don't know why this doesn't do it here.
Reese Davis is standing by with this update. Reese. Georgia State gets set to kick this one away. It's a line drive kick. He's out to the 30. So let's see what the offense can do as they come out onto the field. They'll get it for a loss. So he decides to hold on to it, and that's going nowhere. Second down, 10 to go. Ball on the 36. He's on the run. And they bring him down for a sack on the play.
I think that one's on the offensive line. They've got to do a better job of holding their blocks, or else this quarterback's going to be pulling turf out of his face mask all game.
We're on a turf field. What?
So he had some steam on that throw. And he's level at the 47-yard line.
Not the greatest pass, but a really, really good play by the receiver to bail out his quarterback.
First down, 10 to go. Ball on the 47-yard line. Crosby gets the call. Tackle outside after a nice pickup.
I mean, I wish we could just get get off defense or something, or at least stop him. But all right, there you go. Good deflection. Good deflection.
Not a very smart decision by the quarterback. He had no shot at completing it.
And once again, they'll come to the line trying to convert on third down. He's scrambling. They bring him down.
I think this defensive
That was a split reaction.
Getting after the quarterback, not only with the sack in this case, but it seems like the entire game he's done a good job of creating pressure, making this quarterback feel him, almost giving him happy feet back there. He doesn't seem to be in rhythm and almost seems to be throwing the football, feeling the pressure and almost creating nerves on the quarterback.
Signals for a fair catch.
I don't know why it's just fair caught that, but I feel like that was gonna really be a
They got into
factor.
the end zone last time. Let's see if they can match that on this possession. Georgia State up 7 points. And down he goes, right around the 24-yard line. After a quarter of play, we got a low-scoring defensive.
I'm playing. I don't know what you're talking about.
Panthers lead 7-0.
I mean, I think y'all are on like a little drag. Like, I'll play like a couple of seconds in front. I mean, I'm on cam and it looks like it's working.
Now he's scrambling. Looks quick to his tight end and he can't hang on.
That's just a great play to separate.
I mean, I got the stream on my iPad, so I think maybe just check your Wi-Fi.
3rd and 1. The Panthers had one of their key players go down earlier, but it looks like he might be able to get back in the lineup. Gains his way.
Lawrence Reed putting in those 12-yard gains. My boy. Wait, I didn't read. Okay, maybe it's nothing. Maybe it's just a slight injury.
Simpson on play action. He airs it out. That close to being intercepted.
I panicked.
Throw by the quarterback, but to be fair, that was pretty good coverage.
From their own 36-yard line. 2nd down.
Oh, come on.
To lose yards.
I don't think the play developed the way it was supposed to.
If it's more than 2nd or 4th and like 8 or something, we're going for it. I do not punt. Maybe our punter will have some like passing guards or something.
Georgia State is up by a touchdown. Fires out to his receiver.
How did that work? Calm down, H-Man. I'm not rushing to get downfield. Like, I'm just making sure I use as much time as I can so they can't score. But yeah. Oh, good job, Weddle. But yeah, we'll get 3 touchdowns at least.
And this play is number 8 on the drive.
I'm not in any rush anyway. I mean,
They give to the
come on, Weddle. You need to get up and get going. Come on, dude.
Well, they'll line it up again on 3rd down. 2 for 2 so far on this drive.
Dude, we are playing as Georgia State. We are all 60. They are all
Here's the halfback.
63s or something.
Around the 45-yard line. And they'll still be a little short of the 1st down line.
Well, they get some positive yards, but this defensive line really busted through and broke that play up.
Halfback dive. Plus, I am not playing as good as I need to be.
Brought down after a nice run up the middle.
Hey, we're slowly making it upfield. So if you got any criticism, you can just not watch or something. I don't know. I'm slow. I am taking my sweet ass time going upfield.
Here comes the pressure.
Fuck!
Thread the needle and it's not going to work.
I don't know why. Oh my god.
And the quarterback just can't believe it. He really wishes he could have that one back.
That was like, alright, we need a fumble. Someone.
Remember, hey, a pick is a pick, and no one is going to care how bad he wants that one back.
Zipped it to the tail end.
Why can't we get an interception? Come on, guys.
Get after it and can make life hard for the play callers on the other side of the ball.
Second down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 29. Now he tries to buy some time.
Oh. I don't know why, but like I just need a pick or something. I feel like, I mean, we fumbled and we got picked on because I forgot how to slide in this game. And we got the warrant tackle. 4th and 24. McKenzie, I think? Yeah, that was McKenzie too. McKenzie, Nancy, and Thomas, our defensive ends, have really been getting the cheese. They're going to waste time too. Humphrey, go. Oh my god. What was that, dude? I hate that animation. It's just like, if you're going to lose your balance, you just need to fall down. Halfback plunge. Let's get our run game back. I forgot how, I don't know how to do like read options right now because like my brother used to do all these quarterbacking. So like I'm picking up the weight since he's in Memphis, by the way. I think he's in chat because, you know, this is his favorite game. Comebacks.
We've got a 1st and 10. Ball on the 27. Georgia State is up 7. Out of the open. He's taken down around the 21.
We need to get to the touchdown, man. We need a TD. We need a TD. We got 39 seconds. That is, I think the play clock that keeps running it down like in between every play, that's what's really like chewing us up. That'll come on, boy. We got 16 seconds. We can get a field goal. Alright, chat, I need it. Field goal, or do we run a play? I don't know what to do. We're going for it.
They come out in an empty backfield.
Marshall in the touchdown, yes sir! Let's go!
And he adds the extra
14-0. We are going to be kicking off to them once, and then we're kicking off again.
Take a look at this one again. The Gamecocks hammer that running game and score a touchdown.
We'll squib it on them.
He gets out to about the 45-yard line. The quarterback leads the
Okay, if we get pick 6 here, everyone in chat's going to get laid.
Let's see if a quarterback heaves it up there and one of his guys can come down with it. Tackle made around the 22-yard line. So at the end of the half, the Panthers lead 14-0.
Alright, that's good to know. Alright, let's kick off to them again.
Guys just about set to start the 3rd quarter. From the 7. He's taken down at the 33. The Panthers continue to get it done on the defensive side of the football, Kirk.
Yeah, they've done a good job of building this lead and almost determined here to protect it. Let's see if they can hold on here for the rest of the way.
There's got to be some sense of urgency to this offense right now. They don't have the luxury of wasting drives if they want to get back in the game.
Yo, that animation though. That would have been a pure tackle.
It's second down, 5 to go. Ball on their own 38.
Great job by the defense of getting after that quarterback. And right now, I think they've got him with some happy feet. He appears to be a bit rattled.
I don't even know what that last play was though.
And it's incomplete. Didn't give his halfback a chance on that play.
To be honest, this is the funniest drive ever.
And then he can run with the football afterwards.
Gant awaits the snap. He's to the 40. Tackle at the 23.
Did we run over that guy or what? Hold up. Damn, boy. Woo. Yeah, we ran over the freaking got hit by a fucking bus, man. Humphrey's a rough kid.
He makes it to the 45-yard line. It's second down and 8. Ball on their own 45.
Alright, I think this is a screen.
Fires out quickly to the tail end. He's tackled at the 50. And that last pass was good for maybe 5 yards.
Here's a safe play, hitting the underneath receiver, but it's a nice gain of 5.
Makes it out to
There we go. Man, we are doing a lot better in the second half. Knock on a desk so I don't jinx myself.
the 39-yard line.
Because I'm gonna say that, and then we're gonna start doing bad.
Scrambling around. And here's a quick throw. This one
Oh.
ball incomplete. He was
It's
that
okay.
close to making a big play.
His safety is kicking himself for dropping that one.
Makes it out to about the 29.
Hey, we got our 100 rushing yards. Finally.
It's first and 10. Ball on the 29.
Smooth Jones over there.
He's going to try and scramble. Slides down. He gained a good 6 yards. on
I'll take
carry.
that.
So it's second down now. They need about 4 yards to pick up the first. He scrambled.
Humphrey! Oh my gosh! That was probably a TD, dude!
Series.
Oh no! Humphrey, dude. Bro, that's depressing!
He's in trouble.
Joe, no! Jones, what are y'all doing? Curls,
And it's the offense that takes the
curls, something. Someone please catch the ball.
He's on the run. They don't pick up the first down.
Come online. I called it.
The defense really stepped up to force that 3 and out on the last drive.
If they're going to make a comeback in this game,
Let's get the ball back, guys.
This offense has to get rolling. Tackle at the 25.
2-yard gain on the quarterback keeper.
I know, once I looked at the stream, I saw that streak was open.
2nd and 8. Ball on the 25. 5 wide.
Alright, let's just keep scaring them. Yes, sir! That freaking cheese! NCAA cheese. You know, we might have to do another game. We're doing pretty good this week.
Humphrey is back deep to return the punt.
Yes, sir, big boy Humphrey.
Heading for the corner.
Oh! Freaking shoelace tackle.
Good job by the return.
It's okay.
We're about set to start things up again.
Alright, we gotta keep it calm. We gotta keep it calm.
Makes it out to about the 30. Second down, and they're going to need about 3 yards to pick up the first down. He's scrambling.
Marshall! Are we worse than like the Atlanta Falcons? Can we not do something, please? Yeah, shoelace tackles are like, whoever created the shoelace tackles go into like the boiler room of hell.
First and 10.
I feel like the Atlanta Falcons right now. Even though we win, but the Falcons are like, what, 4-0?
Now he's scrambling.
Thank you, Humphrey. Humphrey finally is the one who catches the ball. Hallelujah.
Now he tries to buy some time. Finds the tight end for
Trevor Williams with the freaking touchdown, boy. Woo!
And he hits the PAT. Time for an update from the studio. Reese, what have you got?
Plenty of action going on in the top 10. This one's been entertaining us all day long. And for South Carolina, they're looking to win 2 in a row.
Trust me, once I get to go see my brother in Memphis, I might have to ask my parents if I could take this with me so I can get some videos with my brother just absolutely smoking these teams.
Their last drive ended in
You
a
also
punt.
see him play. He got the jukes. He'll put these defense on ice. Freaking roller skates.
Here's the throw. I don't think he got anything on that. We head to the 4th.
4th down, 4's up.
Welcome back to the action here as we resume play here in quarter number 4. They come out in a 5-wide set. It falls incomplete.
Alright, if we had,
Wanted his receiver, but I think that may have
I don't know, a safety or something there, that could have been a pick.
Yards to go. Ball on the 42. They spread the field in the gun with 5 wide receivers. Well, they've got the lead and they come up with a big stop, and it looks like they're going to get the football back.
Oh, they're going on it. 4th and 7, they're going for it. Oh my God! Come on, guys!
From the 48-yard line.
I swear, we could have stopped them.
They'll line up with 5 wide
What are you doing, Robert?
Tries to
Franklin!
intercepted.
Franklin with the interception!
Has to make better decisions than that. He should have known.
Man, Franklin had the hop, too. He added that extra little hop. That was beautiful, dude.
Scrambling around. Quick strike to the receiver. And he's tackled around the 32-yard line.
Alvarez, too? Man,
This is the time to
we are doing good now.
pregame that they must have in order to be successful with their passing game. That time the quarterback threw it to us.
We're 11 and 20. That's not good, but that's not bad for a quarterback.
And they make the shot at about
11 yards by Cody Weddle. Honestly, I really want one of our players to win the Heisman, but that's going to be a long way down the road.
Rolls middle of the tight end.
If I hit Williams later on that, whatever that route he just did, I think I could have got a little bit more yards. But, like, I feel like that was a pretty good route. Good job, Williams. Oh, well, you gotta take him forward, dude. Halfback dive. Straight up the middle. Get that TD. Get those 6 points.
It's power against power right now on the field. Both teams have their jumbo sets out there.
Oh!
Diving for extra yardage.
I wonder, dude, we got a quarterback sneak. We got a quarterback sneak. We got a quarterback sneak. Y'all know it's coming. What? 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 What the hell? They stopped the quarterback sneak.
And this is the 8th play of the drive. Just under 3 to go in regulation. He's going to try and scramble. He's under some heat.
Go!
He's taken down.
Chris Simpson was right there. Bro! What do we do? Okay, we got this.
Goal, and this is nothing more than a chip shot. It's a fake.
Yes, sir! Chad Blanco with the 0-yard reception. And I think that's our kicker, too.
And he converts the extra point. It was an 8-play, 60-yard drive.
What's up?
They come away with 7 points.
Oh, you tell me. Just stream. Hey, shut the door. All right, we got 2 minutes. Let's get the ball back.
From the 5-yard line. Tackle made at the 26-yard line. The Panthers have really been all over the place. They're playing like a defense possessed.
I love watching defense just pin its ears back and just slide into football.
Do we play another game though, or do we just do this one? I don't know. Y'all decide. Do you guys want one more game?
The field, and they're certainly hoping to do better than they did in their last drive, which ended with a turnover.
I look for the offense to come out with the same game plan as before. You don't make changes after one play.
So it's 2nd and 10. All on their own 26. Halfback's got it on a quick throw. They'll bring him down around the 25-yard line. That'll be a loss of 1.
Not much going on there. Those kind of plays will not work against this
Their
defense.
their quarterbacks is looking bad. Man, I hope this guy doesn't go pro because he is looking bad. Thompson, though. Thompson, my boy.
That school record for sacks in a single season.
This guy's beating the man across from him. Double teams, triple teams, chip blocks, help from the backfield, you name it. Nothing's been able to slow this guy down.
After the sack, it's now 4th and long.
I don't feel like y'all wasting my time. Let's get our ball back.
Gant to punt.
Damn.
Taken down at the 49-yard line.
You good, Humphrey? Humphrey, if you're dead, don't move. Ah, he got up. He's
Well, late
fine.
in the 4th quarter, this game has been over for a long time, and now we just want to get out of here like these two teams do.
Damn.
He scrambled.
Oh, damn.
Incomplete. It's 2nd and 10.
All right, we gotta do it. 4 verts always works.
Spread the field here. Let's see what the defense does with a 5-wide outlook. He's on the run. Darts it to the left.
Oh my God.
You like a team that's ready to defend the pass. It takes some preparation to get in the way of a pass like that.
Well, a nice stop there late in the 4th quarter, but this game, quite frankly, has been over.
We're just gonna chew clock.
Ready for it to end. Under a minute left in the game. Here's the punt. No, they're going to throw it. Here's a punt that's almost picked.
If they punted, they would have pushed them back pretty far.
All right,
Now,
I'm just gonna be nice.
They've given a pretty decent field position.
Oh, I was gonna super sim to the end so we could get another game going, but
This will come back to haunt them. It's first down going the other way. Slings it. He's pushed out of bounds around the 46-yard line. The quarterback was just lucky to get that pass off. He was under a lot of pressure in the pocket.
You know, little passes like this force the defense to start to come up. Then you can see an offense take their chances downfield later to take advantage of the defense starting to cheat up.
actually we're not gonna do one more. We're done. We had a good game,
Right around the 40.
good win.
The offense calls a
We
timeout,
just
and that was
we
their
just
first
wiped the
timeout.
floor.
3rd down, and they need to get it inside the 48. Got a man, watch out here. Good open field tackle. The offense calls a timeout.
Yo, why are y'all calling timeout? There's no way you're coming back in 30 seconds. I'm sorry. It's over.
Caught, and that's a first down. Tackle made at the 35.
You've got to play with that kind of purpose to move the ball against this defense.
From the 30.
I don't want them to score.
First down.
Someone stop them.
Under pressure. Makes the catch, and he's got nowhere to go. That makes it 2nd and 10. The Panthers.
I'll give them one more. I should have not done that. I should not have done that.
2nd and 10. Ball on the 34-yard line. Quarterback all by himself in the backfield with 5 wideouts. He goes out of bounds around the 30.
And that's game. Woo!
Well, some backups got some playing time today, that's for sure. It's final. 28-0, Georgia State.
All right. I hope y'all have a fantastic day, and you know, we're gonna go off on a good note. That was the perfect note to go off. All right, I'm gonna go get some lunch. Y'all have a good day. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.